Land it, land it, land it. Land it. Oh my God. Keep it on, boy.
Hello King TV. So today we're doing a new series for King TV. It's called 1Hook1Bait fishing, and we're gonna go to like a little neighborhood pond. It has largemouth bass, smallmouth, I think, bluegill, sunfish, green sunfish, snapping turtles, the African water turtles, and regular water turtles. And let's get right to the action.
Oh, he dropped. Was it a big one?
Yes.
Oh. You got one?
See, that doesn't have to be a turtle after all. Look at that. Sandwich.
Beautiful.
Good thing I have that. Daddy.
You got one? Land him.
We already have a positive land. That was no bait.
You did that with no bait?
No, for real. Look at the hook. This is a sunfish.
Good hook set?
This is a sunfish. Look at that hook set. Look at that.
That's a bluegill.
No, it's not. Where's the blueness? At its jaw. There's no blueness.
Here, lay it flat.
Wait a minute.
Keep it up. Oh my God. Makai. Land it, land it, land it. Land it. Oh my God. Keep it on, boy. Oh. You need help? Oh my. Oh no. Oh no.
No, no.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
First fast ever.
Oh my God, Makai.
Untangle him with the
All
golf.
right, we gotta capture. Oh my God. Oh,
Did we bring
I
the
got him.
weight?
Yeah, we did.
We did.
Wait, hold it up. Let me get. Hold on. Hold on, Makai. Hold it
Look
up.
how big that is.
Perfect. All right. And then here, I have it zeroed out. Oh, here. All right, and I hold the scale. How you doing?
Good, man. You want me to get a picture of the two of you?
Oh, that'd be great. Here, let me see. We're weighing them up real quick. Makai, what does that say? This is his first largemouth bass. This is awesome.
Oh, that's great.
This is my first largemouth bass.
Nice.
Caught it on the swimming dinger, watermelon with red flake. There we go. And it's 10 ounces, which is a slight over half a pound.
10 ounces.
Guys, this catch was awesome. We just got him a little bit of water. We want to make sure we dip him in the water every so often. And you.
Hi, King TV. So I caught my first largemouth bass, as you can see. And we're about to release him. So follow me. The fight was, so I was reeling. I thought it wasn't gonna work, but this was a turtle. I caught a bird.
I take a picture. Oh my goodness, tomorrow I'm showing everybody his food.
He did great, all by himself.
Good for you.
All by himself, right, Makai? All right, hold him up one more time. Hold him up. Thank you so much, Miss Labana. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
All right.
Goodbye to this beautiful baby.
Bring him right here. There you go. Make sure he gets acclimated.
Go.
And there he goes.
We could see his shell.
Look, we're still hung up, guys. Look, caught on the Moana rod. And look, we're hooked into someone else's line.
God line.
Oh my God. Where did the worm go? Did we lose the worm?
Yeah.
Oh no. So guys, we had a swimming dinger. Yeah, oh, it's worth it. I'll lose a little worm in order to get a largemouth bass. We are.
After we catch a largemouth, we catch a turtle.
Let's show his face. All right, buddy. There he goes. Oh, don't you love that sound? All right, last one. Last cast and last catch.
Nope. You're not going anywhere, buddy.
Hadouken!